Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills. And today we are going to talk about React, which is a widely used JavaScript library that has become increasingly popular over the years. Its importance lies in its ability to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces with a reusable component-based architecture. React is used widely by companies and developers because it allows its developers to build complex applications in a more manageable and scalable way. So if you are looking to learn ReactJS, then in this video we are going to tell you those 5 free courses where you can learn ReactJS. At number 1, we have ReactJS Tutorial by Codeacademy. Number 2, Getting Started with React by Pluralsight. Number 3 is React Fundamentals by Scrimba. Number 4, React Crash Course by Traversy Media, which is a popular YouTube channel that offers free React crash courses. And last is React for Beginners by Wes Bo. Indeed, these courses can be a great source to learn the basics of ReactJS, but you also need a certification to prove your skills, right? So let's look at top 5 most popular certifications for ReactJS. And in our list of such 5 courses, at number 1 we have Vskills Certified ReactJS Developer. Vskills Certified ReactJS Developer is a certification program offered by Vskills, which is a government certified testing and certification body in India. This program is designed for developers who want to demonstrate their proficiency in ReactJS. At number 2, we have ReactJS Certification by Simplilearn. This certification program covers the fundamentals of ReactJS, Redux, and React Router. Coming on to 3rd, which is ReactJS Certification by EDX, and this program is designed for developers who want to gain expertise in ReactJS. At number 4, we have ReactJS Certification by Coursera, which again covers the basics of ReactJS and its advanced topics. And last but not the least in our list is React Certification by Full Stack Academy. This program is a part-time course that covers the basics of ReactJS and other topics such as Redux and React Native. So then what are you waiting for? Start your learning journey now and become job ready and boost your chances of getting hired with Vskills ReactJS certification. All the best.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.